Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and why have one fun dry erase marker when you can have 12 colorful ones? That's right, at the JR.WHITE store, you can have all of these great and awesome 12 colorful dry erase markers. What makes that so convenient of having so many different color markers is that way when you're working with a schedule, everything that you put on there can stand out and it's more easy to organize, more able to see your points of scheduling. Also, if you just want to draw fun pictures, you have all the different colors to play around with on your dry erase board. One of the things besides the color that drew me to these dry erase markers is that the point. As you can see, the fine point is just like using a pen. A lot of the times the markers are really thick and it's hard to use when you're trying to fit into small spaces or if you're trying to fit multiple things in one tiny square. The fine point also helps it write really smoothly. The color is vibrant and crisp. And on the top, the cap is a dry eraser. That way you don't have to look for the eraser. It's always right there. And it's easy to erase anything off of your board. It also is magnetic on the back of it. That means that your magnets can stay right on your dry erase board, right on your fridge, wherever you need them. They can stay. You don't have to go digging through a drawer. They can stay right on your fridge for you. Easy and accessible. It's time to make your dry erase board colorful and easy to use with these very fine point and vibrant colors that are going to help you stay organized and make your dry erase boards way more fun. That's my point of view.